talk to you for just a second? I
have to go make dinner for
I just really need to talk to you. It's so important. Come closer, please. It's private.
What is it?
I don't like the way he looks at me.
You called me all the way over here for this?
No. You know, I work at night. I volunteer at the hospital. So I need to sleep in the daytime.
What's wrong?
It's the noise.
Is it my kids?
No. I love your kids. It's not that kind of noise.
What kind of noise are you talking about?
It's from your bedroom. Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon. The noise coming from your bedroom is embarrassing.
Are you sure about that?
Do you know a little bit about sex?
I work all day during the week.
If you're at work, who is it that's making all that? Oh,
Can you watch the kids for me for about an hour?
there you go. And what about you?
I'm all right.
All right, okay.
I want to watch my dad. Here he is.
Where's Marcus at?
Lady, we're live.
I don't give a damn about you being live. Marcus, who the hell have you had at my house, huh? On Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon, Marcus.
Maybe we should watch something else.